I want to move away from patting baby's back too hard. It serves no purpose and it breaks down air bubbles. Light patting is fine, as is rubbing from the lower back upwards. In this winding position, we want to hold baby nice and straight so as to make sure the windpipe is lengthened and air can move easily out through the mouth. Use your hands on baby's back to lift so that the back is straight and the head is supported. Bouncing on your knee helps move air into the right place to be burped out. This is not a foot bounce, it's not a toe tap or a heel strike. It's a short heel tap movement that doesn't bounce baby, but rather creates a vibration under baby. Your grip is important, with thumb and first finger on each of baby's cheeks, and the other hand providing support to the head and neck during the procedure. For added stability, place baby's arm between your third and fourth fingers during winding. After a while, if you feel you've become comfortable with this technique, you can modify it and add some rotation. The lazy bones is another great winding position, and especially useful at 3 in the morning when you've both been up for a feed. Baby is placed in your lap facing forwards. Your fingers are interlaced across baby's tummy and with your thumbs hooking gently under baby's arms. You lift baby slightly to create space in baby's chest and again create vibration with both feet. What makes this technique great is that you get to lean back into the couch or chair and take weight off your own back for a few minutes during winding. The cliffhanger is a modified version of the classic baby over the shoulder technique, where the big difference is the position of the legs. Well, babies tend to lie with their legs up when over the shoulder, but this kinks the windpipe and makes burping more difficult. So, by placing your hands around baby's bum and wiggling, you're able to bring the legs down and allow the esophagus to open fully. It is a gentle wiggle with loose grip on either baby's bum or upper thigh.